Well, there's a shop for you. It's 2:50 p.m. 10:03, and I got out here about 11 o'clock. Kind of just putzed and did a few little measurements. Got a few pieces cut. The wife went on the other side and reinforced the fence so the boys can't sneak through the other side of that wall and get out. So she went over there and reinforced the fence. We got that side up, so we're kind of closed in. I've got it cut for up there. I got the first run cut, and that's down outside waiting to go up. I'm just too tired to move ladders around today. And then at that point, once I get that cut, up, then I'll take a measurement and finish it off up there. I gotta get up on the roof and take care of that up there, make sure that's all closed in, so if it rains, it doesn't just gooze down in here. And then I gotta take care of that piece, which I have cut, and once I get that up, I'll take the measurement on the rest of it. In the interim of doing all this though, I noticed I ended up with a little light through the door right there on the bottom. So I'm going to have to shim that out a little bit. And because the door was perfect, but somewhere along the line, it's off just, geez, if it's less than 1/4 of an inch, just enough. So I'll shim that out. And like I say, I cut the doggy door, started anyway, so at least the boys can get in and out, because they're used to coming in. There's a doggy door down underneath there. They're used to coming in that and running out the back here because there used to be a doggy door on this little piece that used to stick out here. There used to be a little 5 by 3.5 or so back porch, if you want to call it that, or maybe even 6, probably 6. By about 3.5 or 4 feet. And I had a doggy door cut in the side of it, so they were able to come through this door and right out the doggy door. So yeah, now they can come through and at least get out, and I'll finish that up tomorrow and get the proper material on it and box that in and get that ready. So like I said, I just want to get this closed in. I want to get up on the roof and take care of that. And I want to get it wrapped. So the wrapping is going to be one of the most important. That's why I want to get the tops closed in, get it wrapped, and then at that point jump up on the roof and put some flashing up there and get some tar going, and then I will put another roof out over the back of that you're not seeing. But basically what it looks like here is let me see here if I can draw you a picture. The roof is coming down like, let me use the other end. The roof is coming down something like that, and we tapped into it here, alright, and came out this way. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flash this in and tar it all in, but then I'm going to come off up here and bring it off into this. Alright, just for some extra measure, because I don't want a lot of rain or snow or anything like that building up back here and just adding weight to the roof. So, I could, if I was looking down on it, this being looking down, this being this part, this being that part, this being straight, alright. I could, looking down on it now, again, the chimney is here, the roof is coming down this way. I could just put a little piece of 2 by 6 or something, 2 by 10, 2 by 12, angle it like that, flash it in, so that anything that comes down will run off to both sides. But I think I'm better off bringing the roof right across into the other one so that it kind of fits in. So that's going to be my next project. That is actually more important than getting this wrapped. So because again, I don't want it to start raining and have all that rain coming down in here and starting to flood this. Now this is pressure treated and such, but again, there's no sense in dumping water on it. So I think I may get up there, if not anything, at least go up there with some caulk and waste, you know, a dozen tubes of caulk, and just to get me by until I can get up there. So, but other than that, I am done for the day. It's 3 o'clock. Well, it's probably 3 o'clock now. It was 10:03 when I turned on the camera and came out here. And I'm going to call it a day. Screw it. I'm done. Yeah, so anyway, last couple of nights, you know, right after dinner, I lay down for a few minutes on the couch. I actually been passing out on the couch. Alright. But anyway, I've been feeling like shit. I mean, like, wow, run down, tired, sore, just not feeling right, feeling, you know, like sick to your stomach, and, you know, like, just like beat, you know, almost like a cross between heat exhaustion and dehydrating. All right, you know, it was just like, wow, you know. And then I'm thinking to myself, wait a minute, I got myself on this 2,000 calorie a day diet, and it's been working, you know, well actually. However, I'm doing a lot more work than I normally do. So that 2,000 calories is just not cutting it, even though I cheat a little bit. So about 8:30, 9 o'clock last night, I made some mashed potatoes. I made a couple pieces of chicken. And I ate that. All right. And then I had a couple scoops of ice cream, and I ate that. I had some of those goldfish puffs. Alright, I ate some of those. And I had a small piece of Italian pastry. And I ate that. Now, I didn't eat it all up at once. So between maybe 8, 8:30 and 11 o'clock, I kind of, you know, pigged out a little bit. And you know what? I felt great. I think I'm going to add a few more calories back into my diet until I get done with this. You know, I mean, I'll still lose weight. I'm just not going to lose it as fast. And losing it fast is really not a good idea. My intentions were to maybe a pound or 2 a week. Now, I'm kind of on track, but I'm a little more than that right now. You know, I'm probably down to close to 28 pounds. You know, I haven't gotten on the scale yet today, but I'm probably down to close to 28 pounds. You know, and it's been what, maybe 8 weeks. So that's a little pushing it. And so I'm going to run up to the big box, and I'm going to pick up a thing of protein. I had the wife pick up some bananas, and I'm going to start making some protein shakes to drink throughout the course of the day and help get some proteins going. Now, I've been eating bread, you know, not regular white bread, but, you know, grains and rye and an English muffin here and there. I haven't been eating a lot of corn muffin. Corn muffin used to be an every morning thing to me. There's my train. But I haven't felt like corn muffins, so I haven't been eating corn muffins a lot. So I am getting some carbs. You know, the other night I made up, I took some sausage, cut it up, small pieces, peppers, onions, potatoes, seasoning, garlic, a little bit of oil, put it in the oven and just let it bake, you know, and so I'm getting carbs. I just don't know if I'm getting enough of what I should be getting. And you know, the proteins. So I'm going to pick up some protein and start having some protein shakes. I remember years ago when I used to work out at the gym 7 days a week. All right, you know, and I used to get involved in competition, you know, lifting and things. My strong suit was curls. that was my thing. I was up to like 315, 320 pounds, doing 3 sets of 4. You know, so you know, that was on a preacher bench, that is. You know, so that was in my days. But I remember that every night before I left the gym, they had a protein bar there, and I'd have a strawberry banana protein drink, and it helps. So I'm going to start mixing up some more protein drinks. That's all there is to it. And instead of sipping on water all day, which is good, you know, I'll still drink the water, but I'll keep a protein drink out here with me as well, and we'll see how that works. All right, so I want to continue to lose a few more pounds. All right, but at the same token, I don't want to feel like I'm half dead doing it. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. I'll catch you later.